Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels Walmart exclusive GDG44. That is themed automotive R case. So this is the second mix for 2026 actually. I don't believe we haven't seen this up here at retail yet. I was able to snag one of these online, these cases, sealed from Walmart Direct. So this is the second mix of themed automotive for Walmart this year. We already saw Compact Kings. I actually did an unboxing here on the OTD YouTube channel. You can go back and look at that one. But this is Road Rally, right? Or I think it's Road Rally. Let me just... Rally Racers. It's so new, I haven't even got the name down yet. But we are looking at Rally Racers. And great card art to start off. You got the Ford Escort RS 2000 doing a jump, Group B style, taking out some civilians probably around the corner. It is 3 of 5 in the mix, and look at that deco. That deco is outstanding. I really love the Silver Line series. It is, I mean, I love the wheels. Like I love the Cast 5 wheels. These are probably my favorite wheels in the Silver Line. And this one has a metal flake blue paint job with, just all around deco. I mean, you get the tail lights, license plate, trunk, hood, roof. You get front detail in the grille. You get side detail. Yeah, just a nice tampo process being done on these Silver Line cars. This one is, Indonesia these are made in. Shout out to the folks in Indonesia at the factory because they are doing an awesome job. This one looks great. Ford RS 2000. Very excited for this mix. Just some cool cars in this mix altogether. Next one in this case is, it is a Hot Wheels favorite, the 71 Datsun 510. So you get the 510 doing a jump as well. I think these must all be doing the same jump. That same corner. The Datsun 510. The ever popular Datsun 510 with front detail, rear detail again. Cool side deco. You got the 5-star wheels. I actually really love the 5-star wheels on these cars as well. So very cool. I'm really glad that they did the Silver Series because it's just a nice mid-tier line. Like it's basically like what mainline cars should be. And all those folks saying over the years that they would pay extra for mainline cars that were done right. This is your answer. 71 Datsun 510. Number 4 of 5 in the mix. Just a great version of this casting again. Next one out of the case, we have, hey, it's Rally Car. It's probably the most, well, I guess the Ford was a good rally car. But this one actually has Rally in the name. It is the Lancia Rally 037. I think that, hopefully I'm saying that right. Flying through the air as well, around that corner. Watch out for the civilians. This one's in black and orange. You get not the Rail Riders, the normal 6-spoke wheels on these, and just a nice launch of racing on the back, just nicely executed. I mean, the only way this could get better is if it had Rail Riders on it, but with these Silver Series line wheels, I mean, they look outstanding on these cars. The Lancia Racing 218. Yeah, so this is number 5 of 5 in the mix. Just a very nice version of the Lancia Rally. And it actually has the metal base. So I know a lot of folks like to think that in these Silver Lines that the metal base means chase or hard to get. These are all coming 2 to a case, so it's not any harder to get than the other ones outside of other collectors perceiving it as a higher value car and grabbing these up on the peg. So the other 2 that we looked at so far both have plastic bases. Next one out of the case, we have the Honda S800 Racing. So very nice version of this casting in red. We've only seen a couple versions of this one so far. It just debuted like 2 years ago, I think. And now we're getting in red in the Silver Line, plastic base, Cast 5 wheels. The red looks really good on this one. Number 8, striped on the middle, front detail. Yeah, we haven't seen this one go premium yet. So this was kind of a nice semi-premium segue, I guess, if it's headed that way. Again, round that corner, number 2 of 5. last one out of the case. The 87 Audi Quattro in silver. Some good versions of this casting so far. Again, all of them just running that same corner. Same photographer, obviously shot all 5 of these. Number 1 of 5 in the mix. Rally Racers. So Audi Quattro, look at that. Just again, the Audi Sport Deco, very, very era appropriate for this one. Get the front, yep, some good front detail on it. The rear looks good. And yeah, just a good mix of rally cars. If you're a fan of rally cars, this mix is for you. This is the R-Case Walmart exclusive for 2026 themed automotive. Should be appearing in stores very, very soon. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Drop us some comments. Hype this video because we want to get this out there. We want to make sure that everybody knows what they're hunting for at Walmart. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.